fourth graders. In this video, you're gonna learn about the grammar lesson, sentence, and sentence fragment. What are the objectives of this lesson? To know what is a sentence and what is a sentence fragment, to be able to differentiate easily between a sentence and a sentence fragment. At first, I'm gonna read the groups of words and then we have to decide whether each group of words makes sense or doesn't make sense. Let's get started. Number one, that little girl. What do you think? Does this group of words make or doesn't make sense? It doesn't make sense because it is incomplete, or because it doesn't give a clear meaning. Number two, we saw the dog. Does this group of words make or doesn't make sense? It makes sense because it has a clear meaning. Number three, the books are on the shelf. It makes sense because it is complete and it has a clear meaning. Number four, I am going to the library. It makes sense because it has a clear meaning. Number five, this monkey. It doesn't make sense because it is incomplete and it doesn't have a clear meaning. Number six, the tasty pasta. It doesn't make sense because it doesn't have a clear meaning. Number seven, the students are excited on their first day of school. It makes sense because it has a clear meaning. Number eight, they bought a new home. It makes sense because it is complete and it has a clear meaning. What is a sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. I'm gonna read the first example. Color, blue, favorite, is my. It makes no sense, therefore it is not a sentence. Now the second example, my favorite color is blue. It makes complete sense, therefore it is a sentence. What is a sentence fragment? Sentence fragments are incomplete sentences or sentences that do not contain a complete thought. Number one, does not write neatly. Number two, the deer. Both examples are sentence fragments because they are incomplete and they do not contain a complete thought. And now it's time to start doing the exercises. Let's start with the first exercise. Write S if the group of words is a sentence and F if it is a sentence fragment. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number one, Lama rides her new bike. What do you think? Is it a sentence or sentence fragment? It is a sentence. The flowers in the garden is a sentence fragment. Number three, ran down the street. Sentence fragment. Number four, Karim and his friends. Sentence fragment. Number five, and it's the last one, the doctor examined the broken arm. Sentence. Rewrite the sentence fragments into complete sentences. The flowers in the garden. What words you may add to this group of words so that it can become a complete sentence? We can say the flowers in the garden are blooming. Number 3, ran down the street. What words you may add? The children ran down the street. Number 4, Karim and his friends. What words you may add to this group of words so that it can become a complete sentence? We can say Karim and his friends prepared well for the science project. And let's move to the second exercise. Put the words in order to give a meaningful thought. Number 1, walked school with sister my I too. I walked to school with my sister. Number 2, 4, stood Maya line ice cream in. So you are asked to put these words in order to give a meaningful thought. So what can we say? Maya stood in line for ice cream. Number 3, pencil teacher gave her all students the of. The teacher gave all of her students a pencil. Boy went friends the outside basketball play to his with. The boy went outside to play basketball with his friends. Number 5, had much so at fun school today she. She had so much fun at school today. Number 6, friends enjoyed and the I online my class. My friends and I enjoyed the online class. That was everything about this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for watching.